Good morning! It is a wonderful Sunday morning and we are going to JB again. And today's special because I'm planning the whole freaking day because I want to celebrate this man over here because he achieved something cool at work, which we won't say because it's nobody's problem. But anyway, it's cool because I am planning every single thing. And yesterday was a great national day. Today's the 10th of August, by the way. And it was a nice national day where we spent it in Singapore for the first time in super long, because usually we go travel, but this time we wanted to stay at home because it's SG16 and the vibes were great. We saw such nice fireworks. I'm gonna put it here because I think it was pretty iconic. It was the best firework view I ever got in my whole freaking life, so that was pretty cool. It was like at eye level, so yeah, very nice. Now we're on the way to the Jackie Point and we'll see you there. And we first want to get matcha when we go into JB because, you know, we always need that matcha break. And we've been wanting to go to this matcha place for so long, but we just never have. And it's so freaking close to the checkpoint, so we are gonna try it today, hopefully. We are going in. Also, I'm so not used to vlogging because I haven't vlogged in so long because I don't know what kind of videos to make anymore. I'm in a rut.
No.
So tell me what videos you want to see, whoever you are. The few people that watch my videos, tell me. If not, it's gonna not happen anymore. Anyway, I'm vlogging on the Sony camera again because I just wanted to. Okay, random, but we're going in. We're going to jail. Sending this man to jail. Also, I love my outfit today, yay! I got this shirt thrifted at a vintage market yesterday, which I will be boothing at. So you should come. I'm gonna put the details here because I used to do vintage clothing and I'm bringing it back, and I'm gonna booth because I have so much clothes that I want to show the world. So we're gonna do that, and we're going in to the matcha place right now.
Sure. Might do a mango one.
Where? Oh, here?
Yeah.
I want this one. Matcha taste test! This is the pistachio matcha. Strawberry matcha.
Ding.
It's yum. They use Nico matcha, so you know it's legit. Try that one.
Sure.
It's so yum. Good place. I think this is the top matcha place we've tried here now. It topped it so far. Yay! Man sending himself into the jail. Go to jail. Go, go, go. Whoa. Ooh. Jail toilet. For the jail man. The way it just rained so suddenly. What the heck? At least we're in the car. Now we're going to get lunch. Yay!
Ooh. It's sunny and raining at the same time. My body's confused.
We are on the way to lunch. And Mr. T, how do you feel about this day celebrating you?
I love it.
Why?
Because it's amazing. Because I love it.
Wow, so much amazing, wonderful, valuable thoughts. Okay, we're gonna walk to our lunch spot, which has like nice local food or something. Hopefully it's good.
It's good.
What? Change of plan. Oh.
Cool.
Before we have lunch.
Whoa.
What the fuck? This man is on a mission to find a very specific Carhartt vintage jacket, and so we're gonna do it at these shops right here. The jacket is here. If y'all ever see it, let him know. Contact him personally over here. Do you think he'll find it? Manifest, 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 manifest. The face of hope. Shop number 1 was a fail. Shop number 2, let's go. Another face of hope. Ooh. Another jacket found.
It's 500.
Oh. It was indeed a fail. How do you feel?
I'll buy it in euro.
Wow, so much faith. We're going to store number 3 to try again, and that will be our last try before we have lunch. Try number 3.
Try number 2.
Manifest. Ooh, there's stuff there.
Yeah.
He's getting there, he's getting there. He found this one. He's manifesting. This is the coolest shirt I've ever freaking seen. I need it in my life, but it's like $200. Damn. Are you happy with my lunch selection?
I am.
Why?
Because it looks really yummy and like there's a lot of food options and it just looks yummy.
Let's see. We got the glorious toast. Glorious toast. Okay, glorious. Taste test.
Ding.
It looks so good.
Yeah. It's appropriately crispy.
That butter, it will clog your arteries. We got chicken chop and what's this?
Rat's tail.
Wait. Taste test of the real food. Apparently this restaurant was from 1946. So much history.
Ding.
Think. Damn. Look at that sauce.
How is it? How is it? How is it? Nice?
Mushroomy. Mushroomy and chickeny. And they gave me an egg. Very, very nice. Egg. Inhaled. Inhaled. Look at those clouds. It looks like end of the world type of thing. What the heck? Whoa. If you lived through 2012 and you saw the movie 2012 where everyone said the world was gonna die in 2012, this looks exactly like it. So, what the heck? Also, I can confidently say that that chicken chop was super good. I will go back. Oh my gosh, it was so juicy, so big, so saucy. The sauce was so good and very, very yummy. Wow, maybe the best chicken chop I've ever had. I don't know.
Man.
He has no input every time. Oh well. What's the input?
The sauce was very tomatoey, which was really yummy, and the chicken chop was really succulent and like nice. Recommend.
Indeed, recommend.
They have a few outlets, so you don't have to come to this one.
Yeah, they have like 6 outlets all over JB. Very, very, very nice. On to our next activity, which is the main thing that I wanted to bring Mr. T to do. And we're also super, super late because there's so many red lights on the road here. It's crazy, but do you think we'll make it? Hopefully, I get to let him do this thing. If not, really, really awkward. But I'm gonna show you what it is very soon. How do you feel?
Excited.
Why?
Just I got a glimpse of what we're gonna do, and it's something that I've always wanted to do.
He has gotten the reveal of what we're doing. How do you feel?
I'm really excited.
Why?
Because it's plants. I like growing plants now.
Yeah, it's his new phase. Look, this place is freaking cool. There's so many plants and like they guide you on every single step, I think.
How many gibbets am I allowed to take?
There's so many. This looks so cool and very, very green.
它就是死翘翘的 moss 啦 ，OK？ 我的 moss 是长这样的，轻轻的。 这个是死掉了的 moss。OK， 啊，我们是用它来取代 soy， 因为我们是 soilless 的。然后这样这一个我们要怎么做？我们就是用这个 spatula moss， 先示范一个给你看。这样我的就跟你一样了咯，它就是只有一个 net 罢了，等它是空的 ，OK。then 我们要怎么操作？然后你就可以把它这样放进去，撕松它，放进去。
Put it in. This is so fun, baby.
Yeah. So fun. Letting out your inner DIY king.
Yeah.
He's too focused to talk to the vlog. He's gonna ignore every one of you.
I'm not. I'm just having fun.
Look at this focus, everybody. Have you ever seen him this focused before? Have I seen him this focused before? No.
You can fill up the side.
Mini red one. This one?
Sure.
Yeah?
然后后面这边会从其中一个 corner 拿，可能像这样子挑出来，因为它是一整片的，它不是像这个是一块一块一块，比较容易操作。可以这样挤它，给它密一点，看上去比较好看。OK， 然后你们就直接这样放上去。
This moss is so freaking soft. He says it's like his cat's hair.
Yeah.
Meow, meow, meow. Apparently. This is so satisfying. I feel like we're building a forest. A mini forest.
We are building a mini forest.
Reveal time coming. We're gonna make a river here. And then we're gonna put a boat with a little dog. Because we love the little dogs. We're gonna build our river now. River time. Cue River Flows in Me by Yuruma piano cover. Do you even understand what I meant?
I know the famous music.
Mushroom House is going into the mini forest. Little dog finding his house in the river. So cute. Ruff ruff. So much precision. So much care. Whoa. It's a little plant. Look at it. The doggy's little house. Mr. T,
Yeah.
how was that terrarium experience for you?
It was amazing. It was so fun and like, cause we get to plant stuff and it's like building a mini rainforest in a box and we get to decorate in our own style.
Did I get a good job in celebrating your thingy?
You did.
Was it a good idea?
I love it.
Yay! Now I'm on a mission to find him a helium congratulations balloon, so let's find it. Yeah. You should get the minion balloon. Whoa! Look at these. So cool. We found the balloon. Slay. Acquired. This is not supposed to be a grad thing. Well, he's graduating to the next level of life. Slay. This is very random and you might be super confused, but it's okay. Just be confused. But that was a good party shop. It is snack time because we're hungry, even though it's gonna be dinner in like 10 minutes. I wanted to come here for so long. We got the snack. This very expensive snack. But the place looks so nice. There's a pole here. We'll do a pole dance. Can you do a pole dance for us? Not hot.
Oh, okay.
There's a blueberry inside. He's really small and really expensive. It's almost done already. Sad.
That's why it's a snack.
It's okay. They're also closing in an hour, so they don't have much options. So Maybe come earlier in the day if you want to try more things. Are you happy with this?
I am.
We're in someone's house to have Italian food. And I told him today's dinner is gonna be super non-JB, and it is not like JB at all. Yay, it's so good.
JB.
Look at this piece. We got a salad because health restrictions. And the pizza.
Pizza.
Time for the very nice taste test. Hopefully it's good. And I can't wait for the dessert, for the tiramisu later because it looks huge. Bam!
The flavors are melting on your tongue.
Yeah. It's a very colorful salad. Hashtag health. We got our dessert and 10 per scale. It's so freaking huge. Your hand is just too big. Normal person's hand per scale. It's so big. How are we gonna finish this? 1, 2, 3. Whoa, look at it.
Ding.
Ding.
Yummy?
It's so cocoa-y. I think it's a must try if you come here. It's also super big, so you can share with like 4 people. Rate this place out of 10.
Hello.
I assume that's a 10. We are so full from dinner. It was so yummy. Apparently this place has been open for like 14 years, but we've been living under a rock and just found out about it this year. But very, very highly recommend. It's like full-on restaurant style, but I don't know, just very nice. Anyway, we're gonna finish our night off with karaoke because we always need to do that when we're here. And we just want to sing, you know what I mean? So we're going to a new place that we haven't been to before, so hopefully it's good. Let's see. We're inside and it's really affordable. It's only $9 for an hour for both of us, which is great. Anyway, there's a personal freaking toilet in the room. What? That's kind of cool.
Drove through the suburbs. 'Cause how could I ever love someone else? It's like the clouds, my eyes will do the same if you walk away. Every day it'll rain, rain, rain.
We are on the way home now. Today was super fun. Did so many new things and tried so many new things, and yeah, it was a great time celebrating this man over here. And now we're gonna go home. If you like this video, you can like, subscribe, do whatever you want, and you can look forward to my next adventure, which is coming very soon. I'm actually going to Bali this week, so look out for the Bali vlogs because it's gonna be quite fun, hopefully. And yeah, I'll see you. You can check out other JB vlogs over here somewhere because we vlog every time we come. So yeah, see ya! Also, if you watched till here, thank you very much. You're a real one, and I want to tell you about my vintage market that I'm doing again because I hope you come. It's on the last weekend of August over here, and it's over here. And if you're from Singapore, you need to come, or if you're visiting Singapore in those states, you need to come because I'm gonna bring so many cool clothes, and it's gonna be very affordable and fun. And just come chat, come hang out, come talk, come see the clothes, come have a good time. So yeah, hopefully I'm gonna vlog the process of getting ready for that market as well because I haven't done my vintage clothing business thing in like years. So I'm very excited to bring it back, and I hope you are too. So see ya!